With the possibility of role management in macmon SDP, auditors or Works Council, for example, can check the settings made by administrators at any time. Furthermore, the Zero Trust Network Access solution offers the possibility to define whether an administrator may create and manage gateways, for example. We would like to show you how it looks like. In that case, here you can see an organization in macmon SDP. At the User tab, you can see all users, which can be managed here. For users and groups, you can add the roles if you select the user or the group. Then you've got the possibility to delete roles or to add roles. Users are able to log in into the macmon SDP controller and download the latest version of the macmon SDP agent. Auditors can take a look into the settings of macmon SDP. So they can see any kind of configurations in a read-only mode. The help desk user is allowed to see all configurations and manage the user. Administrator can manage resources, policies, and conditions. And the system administrator is allowed to manage the organization as well as the connection and any other configuration. All changes of configurations will be shown in revision and logs. If you want to get an overview about the roles in macmon SDP, just go to Settings, Permission Overview, and then you can see the roles and if the role is allowed to edit, to view, or not on specific configurations and views. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact the macmon Secure GmbH.